welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I am here to show you guys something that is very interesting and something that I do like quite a lot. And I know this is a weird angle, but I wanted to display them here. But it is my novelty earring collection. So these ones in my ear are so freaking cute. I think I got them for 30 cents or something off AliExpress. They are cute little gummy bears. They are so freaking cute. I adore them, and they were so cheap as well, and they're actually made pretty good. Like, they've got the little earring back there and the actual gem, and they're comfortable to wear. I've been wearing them all day, and I think they're just really cute, like as a little accessory on there. Like, they're just super adorable. And then my next pair that I've got is there is Ruby Moon, and she is part of Bad Mood Earrings, and she sent me these. These are so freaking cute. It's two kind of like, I call them roller derby girls. I know that they're not, but I just think that they are so cute. They're just cute little girls on earrings as well, and I just think that they're so freaking adorable. Like, I just think that they're so freaking adorable. I just think that they're really cute and clever, and I think it's just a really kind of cute thing. And then my next pair is I don't know why I'm even sharing this, but if you guys are interested in it, this is my novelty earring collection, and this is some Evian little water bottles there. So I think these ones were off AliExpress for about $1 each, and it's just kind of little water bottles, something that you could wear anywhere you wanted, because everyone likes water bottles, you know, they're universal. I just think that they're really cute as well. Another drink item is these two Coca-Cola bottles. I think that these are really cute. I think they're just made with acrylic and resin, but they are cute little Coke bottles, which, I mean, everyone knows Coke. I could wear them literally anywhere. I just think that they're so cool, because I want to get into more of wearing novelty earrings in my videos, but usually my hair's out, so you can't really tell. But I got those anyway. These are another Bad Moon one as well. These are cigarettes. Now, I've never smoked in my life, but I just think that these are really cute and quirky. Like, if you're going to a festival or something, like, it's just funny, like a rave. Like, it's just a funny and a conversation starter as well, those cigarette earrings. And then also I have these cute bad boys. These are aliens. These are also from Bad Moon as well, and these are so freaking cute. They're just like little glow-in-the-dark alien men, and they're just so cool. Like, when I wish I had them when I did my alien palette review, because they're just so freaking cute, and they go really well with my work uniform when I'm wearing my green shirt, so I do like wearing them as well. They're super duper cute. And then also I do have another pair of gummy bear earrings. These are studs. So this is the stud version of what I'm wearing now, and they are little red gummy bears. I think that these are so super cute. I want to get more of the gummy bears one, because you can match it with any outfit. It's cute, it's quirky, and I just think that they're really, really cute. And then I have two more to go now. So these ones I got specifically because of the industry I work in, but I got fish bags with little fake fishes in them. I think that these are so freaking cute. They're a nice cute little idea, especially if you do work in a pet store, and they're just like goldfishes in bags. Now, I wouldn't recommend goldfishes living in bags for very long, but it is a really cute little thing as well. And my cat's like, hey, have you got earrings for me? No, I don't, but I do have rat skeleton earrings. So I really badly wanted to get a skeleton tattoo tattooed on me, but instead I settled with getting these rat skeleton earrings, because I do have rats. I did actually get new rats. I got Bruno and Jessie, so I'm really excited for them. They're actually in their cage, like right there. I've just got them in there while I film, because I'm like, then they can come out and play. So those are my rat earrings there. So I've actually got these ones, which are actually quite old. These used to be my sister's ones, and they are Novelty Flamingos. They are so cute. They are made out of wood, and I really think that they're really special to me, and I really, really like them just because they're so crazy and new and unique. They're just crazy. And then I have these ones, which were my ones, which were these parrots, and they are wooden parrots. And they are so freaking cute, these wooden parrots. They are so cute. And then last but not least, I have these little voodoo men. I think that they're so cute. Someone has handmade those. Like, they are just so cute and so sweet, and I just really, really adore them. So these are all the earrings here, minus the ones that I am wearing, and I just really, really like them. Like, I don't have a huge collection, but I just think that they're so cute. Like, they were all really, really cheap as well. These ones I think were about $1. These are about $2. I think these ones are about $10. These are about $3 from AliExpress, and then Bad Moon's are about $10 each, and then these little studs as well. So yeah, that's just my little novelty earring collection in case you guys were wondering, but yeah. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. This is another weird angle, but I kind of look low-key really nice, except my camera won't adjust to me. Hello. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe box, and until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. It's glitching. Bye.